So here's how to fix Monopoly Go invite not working. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to open your mobile settings, and here in the settings you have to simply scroll down and go to the apps option. After that, here in the apps option you have to simply search for the Monopoly Go. After that, here you have to click on the storage option and then click on the clear cache. You have to clear the cache of the app if you want to avoid any errors onto your app. Another fix that you can try is you have to go to your Play Store and then here you have to simply search for the Monopoly Go. Now here if you see an update message, you have to update your app. So that's how to fix Monopoly Go invite not sending error.